Okay, so they have Weezer. I really don't know what to get. I have like $27, so I want to buy like 2 CDs. I have Weezer, Boys Have Smashing Pumpkins. I have Beach Boys, have of course the Beatles. Let's see what they have. I already have this one. Okay. I have AC/DC. Wow, they're kind of cheap too. Dude, searching for CDs are kind of cheaper, honestly. Let's see, very best. It's $21. Now the Smiths. I might actually get this one. I was looking at. Wait, they have the Monkeys? What? So I'm definitely gonna get this one because I love the Smiths. So I have Paramore. Here. There's her new album, I think. Yeah, I want to get the Smiths, and I don't know what to get. Either Weezer or Californication. And where was it? They have Californication. But they also have Smashing Pumpkins, Weezer, and The Who. I'm selling for these. Hell yeah. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing. Today, I think this is like a while since I've unboxed CDs. Let me check. Yeah, I think it's been 8 months since I've unboxed like CDs in here. I look so different. Okay, but I went to Barnes & Noble's, as you saw. Little mini vlog. I was kind of embarrassed to speak out loud. This was like yesterday, so it's been like a day after. But I got the Sounds of the Smiths. It was only $12. I also bought something else, but you'll see that in a future video. But I got the Sounds of the Smiths and Red Hot Chili Peppers Californication. I don't really have that much CDs. Let me grab my whole CD collection. So, these are my CDs. Compared to my records, they're really small. But right now I just have, you know, #1 album. This I got when I watched 60s Mania or Forever Fab. I should probably show you guys a video, a full-length video, like of one of their songs. I'll do that soon though. Live in Las Vegas, 60s Mania, A Journey Through the 60s. Right here. We have, you know, Magical Mystery Tour. Best of the Beach Boys. ABBA, and this dog, the Beatles. But this is more of a gag gift that I bought for my dog. But yeah, you get to add to that collection. This, wow, 2 more. But my CD player is right here. Forgot what the name is called. Yeah, I'm looking at it on Amazon. This was like the CD player portable with 60-second anti-skip stereo earbuds. From Deluxe Products. It works well. The earbuds kind of suck though, and I need to buy new earbuds. But this is the CD player I'm currently using. It's time to unbox these 2. Shout out to Anthony for putting me on Red Hot Chili Peppers. But we have these 2. Let's open up the Smiths first, because I love the Smiths. Scared to open that. Nice. Oh, it's pink. Oh! This will actually give me a good reason to actually start using my CD player again. What? I can't. Hold on. I want to see what's inside the pamphlet.
2,000 years later.
Okay. Sound of the Smiths. Wow. So we have Morrissey and the rest of them. It's really nice. Oh, they're just all photos? Look at that. That's a nice photo actually right there. Okay. I'm gonna put this back because now it looks like this. CD. Oh, that's what the back of the CD looks like. Nice. So this is it. It's really cool color. It's a really cool color. I like it. But this has like 23 songs, and I was like, whoa! For like something like this, how like CDs make me wonder how this happens. Like this little thing has 23 songs in it. It's kind of cool. Yeah. So I can't wait to play this. Is that Elvis? It is Elvis. Elvis right there. I don't know if it's Elvis. Okay, now it's back. Now, time to open Californication. Okay, so it's red. It's really cool. I think. Okay, look at Flea's back. I'm so jealous to be like Flea. I want to be like Flea. I want to be great. I want to be so good at bass, just like Flea. That went easy. Wow. Okay, so this is what the thing looks like. Cover. There's Anthony. Okay. Okay. It has the lyrics to the songs, I believe. Yeah. I think that's John. I think. I'm trying to know the members, but yeah. Cheers, Chad. Wow, he looks very young. Let me guess, the last one's Flea. I think. Okay. Oh shoot. This is what the CD looks like. Pretty cool. It's red. Why am I holding it like that? What the heck? Just do this, Lance. But yeah. Californication. I should really start collecting CDs because they're kind of cheaper than vinyls, and they're smaller, which means little storage. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching my video. Another, unboxing. Been a while. Been making shitty iceberg videos. But yeah, Californication and dismiss. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye bye.